for a little unboxing. This is some PR boxes that I got and also a few things that I bought myself. First one is Jones Road. I've been using their new foundation. It's so good. I gotta do a video on it. A little note, a mirror, their shimmering face oil, another little lippy. Shimmering face oil in Midas. I've been using their face oil and I just like a nice subtle look. But oh, look at, can you see that? Ooh. It feels really nice on the skin. Their lippy, what they call a lippy. Moi, me. Pretty. Very natural. Next one is RCMA makeup. I don't know this brand very well. Research Council of Makeup Artists. Ooh, my sister's a makeup artist. Cute little Lights Illuminating Cream Highlighter in Sunkissed. Oh, that looks like, look at this. That is a pretty color. Ooh. Oh my, this is like all over. Oh, that's nice. Sunkissed Skin Illuminator. So you could probably use some like your collarbones too, which would look gorgeous. This next box is from Anne-Marie Borland, Natural Beauty. I actually just finished their cleanser. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is a firming serum, a collagen boost, two-phase hyaluronic shake, refining day cream, a revitalizing day cream, eye and lip care, a cleanser. You guys know how much I love trying cleansers. This is an elastin booster. Sample hyaluronic pad, eye pad. Let's open the eye. Look at this pretty packaging. Well, packaging means so much. It says to apply this to your eyes and lips like after cleansing. So I'll do this tonight after I cleanse my face. Feels really rich. Strengthens, supports the regeneration for very sensitive eyes and lips. You always forget your lips and it's very important. We do a lot of stuff for the eyes, but it's nice to know that they included lips too. I saw this on Disney and I thought it was so cute. Even though I don't like buying stuff that's like super for like next season. Maybe I wear it now for like the chilly nights when it's cold out. It's from Grey Bandit and it looked so cozy that I needed it. Ooh, look at it. It's just like a denim skirt. I also wanted, I wanted a piece to layer like summer, fall nights when you don't need like a coat or jacket and you don't want to wear a sweatshirt. This is kind of a good piece for that, and I like that it has this really wide neck. It looked so cute on her, and I was like, I need to try it to see how it is. I've never bought anything from Grey Bandit. This is my first purchase from them, and it feels really amazing. It was affordable. It was under $100 too, so I will link to this. Next box is from Zara. Ordered a few things the other day. I tend to order like at night when I'm laying in bed. It's actually not very smart, but it's when I do. Like, it'll be 1 o'clock in the morning and I'm like shopping. I don't know why. And I'm like, wait, what did I order? Oh, I like this. It's a little dress. I've been so into yellow. Never been a yellow person, but lately the yellows that they're making is like a nice cool tone yellow, which works for me with my hair and skin tone. This is like a midi dress, long, stretchy, very stretchy. So we'll see how this looks on. Maybe I'll wear it to do some filming tomorrow. I think it's super cute. A simple black cami. I love these spaghetti straps, so I think you can't have enough of these in like black and white. And this little, I know it's still summer, but you know, I'll be going away and things like that. A little beaded halter top in linen. Silks and linens are probably my two favorite fabrics, and this was on sale. It was like $50 or something. Skirt. Wanted a low-rise satin skirt. I feel like I kept going into, why does this look so big? I feel like I kept going into my closet looking for like this type of skirt and haven't found one. I know why, because this is like a hip one, and that's why. Like the waist looks big on this, but it's not. I like the color of it, and the length is like ankle length. It's so pretty. Look at that. It's very thick fabric too, so it's not gonna be see-through. Honestly, Zara shoes to me are always so good. I get tons of compliments whenever I wear them, and for like from season to season, if you want a stylish shoe that you're not gonna like have to worry about if you never wear it again, that's what I like about their shoes. I wanted a brown shoe, and they had these, and I love an ankle strap. Like, love an ankle strap. A high ankle strap, not a low one. Has to go higher, like above your ankle. But look at these. Aren't they great? They're gonna look so good with like a denim short skirt, denim just regular jeans. Fashion week is this week, so maybe I'll wear them for a couple of shows. We'll see. That's everything that I got last week. Now it's this week.